How to display first non-null value from database table. To perform this task, as you can see that we have a one table named TBL name with value. Here in this table, I have a 4 columns. Some of the rows contains value uh, like Johnson, Thompson, Wheat, Harry and Potter, while other contains null value. Now how to fetch the first non-null value from database table? To perform this task in SQL, we have a two major functions, inbuilt functions. First, let's understand the same functionality with the use of a ISNULL. So let's say is and select, and then over here I'm going to use inbuilt in is null functions from and the table name which is tbl name with null. Let me specify my column name. Let's say currently for testing purpose I am specifying first name and the middle name as a first and second parameter. So first name and the middle name, which is the database column over here inside my table. As you can see that we have a first name and the middle name. Now I am interested to fetch the first non-null value from this table, right? TBL name with null. Now let me run this query and execute it. You can see that it shows me John, Thompson, null, null and the Potter. Now you are little bit confused like how to fetch the last name and pet name, because in the first last name and the like in a third row you can see that the first name and middle name contains the null. So to perform the same task for the testing purpose, let me specify my third column name which is last name over here. You can see that the ISNULL function shows me the error. It shows that the ISNULL functions require two argument. So the in this video we'll learn about what is the difference between the ISNULL and coalesce function. So with the use of ISNULL functions, you are able to specify the two column only. Now imagine that you have a multiple columns, let's say first name and then the middle name and the last name and the pet name. So how to fetch the first non-null value from the multiple column? So to perform the same task, we need to use another function which is coalesce function. So select, and then over here I'm going to specify coalesce, the function name inbuilt function from, and then tbl name with null, right? Now let me specify the first name over here, first name, then the middle name, and then the last name. So what will happen over here? It will display the first non-null value from the three different columns. You can see that now it shows me the first block output block will work with the is null, while the coalesce function output shows me John, Thompson, Wheat, and the fourth row still contain null value. So how about to display the pet name, the Harry name over here as well? So to perform the same task, if you are interested to display the fetch the multiple work with the multiple column, at that time what you need to do, you need to use the coalesce function. So you can see that now the coalesce function is able to fetch the non-null value from the four different columns. With the use of a coalesce functions, you are able to work with the multiple columns and fetch the first non-null value. While you are using the is null, with the use null, is null, you are able to fetch the non-null value, but with the two column only. Multiple columns, you need to use the coalesce function. So this is what the difference between the coalesce function and is null functions. And this question mostly asked during the interview if you are beginners levels or intermediate levels. So I hope you like my videos. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.